Chris, you've got a large wall of huge amounts of cables here. What do people typically need cables for when they're coming into KSM?
Well, it's a little bit of everything, and it's not always, music performance. You could just be doing karaoke at your home, or just doing a speech to people, and or home theater and stuff like that.
Okay.
So we cover everything to have all audio connections.
So typically, what's the most popular one that people come in for?
Probably like a microphone cable like this. So it's like an XLR cable, to be specific. But if you need to hook up a microphone to any type of equipment, we have these and tons of different lengths and different ends if you need to change it to something different.
Okay.
So we probably sell that the most.
Okay, I'll hold that one for you. What are some of the other things?
So as you can imagine, some things get a little more unique, especially with music performance where you need specific cables. So this is like a speak-on cable meant to send power from a cabinet to from a power amp to a cab.
Okay.
And you'll see it a lot in like live performance applications and like bass amps and stuff with a little bit more power.
Okay.
So you probably won't find anything like this in anybody else in town except for us.
And it does look chunky, and it looks like it's going to stand up to time.
Yep, exactly. It's heavy duty stuff that we guarantee forever. So if it ever goes out, we just give you another one off the wall.
Okay.
A lot of our cables are that way, where we have a lifetime warranty on them. And
the other thing that you have there?
This is kind of unique too. It's a MIDI cable, so it sends data from like a keyboard usually to like a computer to play music with. It can be used in a few different ways, but again, something that's a little more unique and you can't find at any other place in town. And we have a lot of unique adapters and things like that just to connect any type of audio equipment. So if you have anything at home that's like, I need to connect audio from here to here, don't have the right connector, we've pretty much got it for you.
Yeah, and if you pretty much don't have it, then you probably don't need it, right?
Yeah, it's pretty much that. We have about every connection we can think up and any way to do it, otherwise you may be doing something wrong.
So, and I would also say that if you're going to need a cable, why don't you just come in and have a look? You can get it instantly. It's all very well ordering online, which we all do from time to time, but then you're waiting for the thing to be delivered. You might have to pay for shipping, and frequently you have got the best prices. It doesn't matter if it's on the internet or anywhere else.
Yeah, we order this many cables so we can sell them to you at a great price, rather than just one at a time. And we get tons of different manufacturers, different types of adapters, so you can get exactly what you need at a great price.
So if you're needing a new cable or whatever else all these other things are on this wall, come on down to KSM. Tell us where we are, Chris.
50 West and 400 North.
Okay, can't be simpler than that. Come down and check out their stock. Thanks, Chris.